Okay, so I'm playing Rocket League, and I'm currently actually streaming it from my gaming desktop inside. And I'm right now playing Rocket League on a TV, being streamed over Wi-Fi. The machine I'm actually playing on it isn't actually running the game. I have my big gaming desktop actually running the game inside. So, this video is going to be a little bit of some experimentation with in-home streaming with Steam. I currently have my home theater PC right down there with an AMD 5350 APU running, and it's got an 802.11n Wi-Fi card in it, which isn't the best, but it does seem playable. It does seem like more than playable with this. Ah, dang it. So there is one thing with Wi-Fi. You're going to be getting a little bit of seems like there is some bit of lag, but overall it's not that bad. It's not the highest quality stream, but with the home theater PC connected to Wi-Fi, it doesn't seem too bad. The machine that this is streaming from, the machine I'm actually playing the game on, or that's actually running the game, is got a Core i5 and a 950 graphics card, which is alright. Definitely more than enough to play Rocket League. Nice. This match is actually getting pretty close. So as you can see, there's a bit of a lag spike there. So I'm just going to finish this match, and we're going to try out some other games. So here's the PC I'm streaming the games from. It's my main gaming rig. It's got a Core i5 and a 950 graphics card, 16 gigs of RAM, and 3 terabytes of hard drives. So currently I got the games running here, and so let's go try out a different game. So we got Minecraft now, and this game is significantly a lot slower, and it's got a lot less graphics to it. So let's try this on my server. And oh wow, this is actually very, very playable. I mean, the machine I'm actually running on the AMD 5350 is more than capable of actually playing Minecraft, but just the fact that I'm actually able to do this over the Wi-Fi, it's actually pretty good. And my big computer, it's like, actually, I think it's got an FPS cap on for what do you call it? It does VSync for the in-home streaming thing. So that isn't actually too bad. Let's hop on the horse since I know that's a bit faster, and we'll see how the compression is. Which isn't, it's not too bad. I've seen worse in some YouTube videos. So this is definitely playable. So let's see, what settings are we on? Because my big computer is capable of max settings, and they're actually not on max settings. VSync is off. Frame rate unlimited. Up to 16 chunks. Yeah, there we go. Now we're on high settings, which the computer I'm actually on can't go more than like medium settings on Minecraft. So the fact that I'm actually able to put this on max settings and actually stream it from my main PC. I mean, if the compression is a little bit, like, if there's a little less compression, then it would be like more than playable. So let's go on to try on 2 more games, and I think that'll be good. Okay, and now we're going to try some Team Fortress 2. And blue team's already full. Let's choose a character. I'm actually pretty good at the soldier, so we're going to use that one. So let's see, what game mode is this? Is this that?
Mission begins in 60 seconds.
Yeah, I think this one's the retrieval of the thing. So I am right now playing on a wireless mouse and a wireless keyboard hooked up to a home theater PC that's actually hooked up to Wi-Fi. So you can expect how bad the latency is here. I mean, it's not the worst, but really this is not really meant for shooting games. If you're going to be playing stuff like Mario and stuff, maybe, or like, not like Mario, but like kind of Mario style games, then it should work fine. So, we're just going to start in 17 seconds, 16, 15.
Mission begins in 10 seconds.
Okay, so it's going to start now.
2, 1.
Oh, I'm on fire. I couldn't get to the healing thing. So, let's wait for this to respawn. So yeah, it's a bit laggy. And it's not really like full HD, but it's good enough to be able to see what's going on. So if you're streaming over Wi-Fi, it also could be like the fact that I'm using a wireless mouse too, why it doesn't feel too responsive. I gotta pick a different character. So let's pick the scout because he doesn't require too much of a. He doesn't like require that. Like you can play with a little bit of latency there. The scout, because all he has is a pistol and a shotgun and a bat. And the shotgun has a bit of scatter to it. So there's the enemy team. Reload. I got taken out. Oh, I got taken out by a soldier. That was a good shot. So, yeah, again, latency is not the best. And we lost the round. So, yeah, it's so-so in playing over Wi-Fi with a wireless keyboard and mouse for shooting games. So let's test out one more game, and that'll be it for the video. So this is going to be the last game I'm going to try, Scrap Mechanic, and it's one of those more slower paced kind of creative games like Minecraft. So it actually works just as well as Minecraft. The graphics, it is a little bit compressed because I am streaming over Wi-Fi, but the game is more than playable on this. So just gonna go for a quick little run here. As you can see, like the little contraption I built was not the best, but I didn't want to spend too much time doing this or just building this because I wanted to get on with the video. So it is like stuff is like perfectly buildable on here, even over this kind of not really too good Wi-Fi connection. Like if I wanted to add, let's say if I wanted to like make this a little wider by like 2 blocks on each side, I can do that, and put this back on the left and lower it down. And we're going to put the wheels here. And now let's connect it to the engine. And we're gonna make sure they're both spinning in the right direction. And now let's test it. Yep, a lot more stable now. So, basically the games are depending on the game you're playing and what connection you have, and also what your basically your setup is. The best setup would be to have like, I mean, you don't really have to have a high end PC. Like as you can see right here, I'm on fairly like lower to mid range. I'm like just streaming PC. I'd probably consider it more on the lower range because I don't have a graphics card in here. But as you see, perfectly playable, and it does stream just fine. So best to do it probably with a nice wired internet connection or a nice higher end Wi-Fi connection. And also, I mean, the wireless keyboard and mouse are fine if you're used to the like maybe the couple milliseconds of delay. You'll be fine with the wireless keyboard and mouse. So that's about it for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little experimentation with the streaming. And if you guys want more videos, so be sure to subscribe and also leave a comment down below. So see you later, guys.